Welcome to an update of the jet build, stretch build project. It's starting to look like something. I will choose to be encouraged by that fact. The weight, until weight reduction is applied to this panel construction, this model is going to be fat. Right now it's coming in around 475 grams, and there's a few bits still to put on. But not a lot. That could be considered the all-up weight. The baseline all-up weight, perhaps, because anyway, I'll be able to reduce weight a lot in this panel constructed fuselage. And let me get a different view. For those folks who might think the split stabilizer is too small, it's not. It just looks that way because of the boxiness of the aft fuselage. I put my single low profile spar in there to give this piece of spruce, or I guess it's spruce. Anyway, to give the stabilizers a bit of strength at the root, and it looks like it's going to work great. The vert stab is right now is just a smidge oversized because I haven't cut the tabs at the root of it yet, and the slots and those things. So thanks.